Understanding hourly parking rates, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an important and practical phrase that you might encounter in your daily life, especially if you're traveling or living in an English-speaking country. Hourly parking rates. By the end of this video, you'll understand what this phrase means, where you might see it, and how to use it in context. So, let's dive in. Hourly parking rates is a phrase that combines three key words: hourly, parking, and rates. Let's break it down. Hourly refers to something happening or being calculated by the hour. It indicates time. Parking is the act of stopping a vehicle and leaving it unattended for a period of time. Rates refer to the amount of charge or price for a particular service or usage. When we put these words together, hourly parking rates refers to the cost of parking a vehicle calculated on an hourly basis. This means you pay for parking depending on how many hours you use the parking space. You might see the phrase, hourly parking rates, in several places, including parking lots and garages. These are designated areas where you can park your vehicle. They often have signs displaying the hourly parking rates. Airports. Many airports offer parking services with rates that are calculated hourly, especially for short-term parking. Urban areas. In cities, public parking spaces on the street or in municipal parking buildings often charge by the hour. Shopping centers and malls. These places sometimes have parking areas with hourly rates, especially in crowded urban locations. Understanding this phrase can help you manage your parking time and expenses better when visiting these places. Knowing about hourly parking rates can be very practical. Here are a few examples of how you might use or encounter this phrase. 1. Asking for information. Excuse me, could you tell me what the hourly parking rates are here? 2. Reading signs. When entering a parking lot, look for signs that say hourly parking rates to understand how much you will be charged. 3. Planning your visit. Knowing the hourly rates can help you decide how long to park somewhere and estimate the cost. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning of hourly parking rates and how this phrase is used in real-life situations. Remember, understanding practical phrases like this can significantly enhance your English language skills and make your daily life in an English-speaking environment much easier. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.